Hi, hello, and welcome to the fourth part of Google Coder. So, in this part, I'm going to teach you how to utilize the JavaScript tab. So, as you have guessed already, since you have already worked with HTML CSS tab, you already know that once you click the JS tab, and you can start writing your JavaScript code. Something interesting here is that once you open your project and visit here, you see document.ready functions. Okay, wait, it's not completely pure JavaScript, it's jQuery. How did this end up here? So basically the answer is Google Coder by default includes jQuery. That's interesting because jQuery these days a de facto standard for web designing. Most of the web designers and developers use jQuery, so it is included by default into this project. So you would wonder where these the JavaScript reference is, and if you go through the source code, yeah, it's here. You can see that the jQuery file is referenced here. So any jQuery code you write here should ideally run. So let's put an alert and see. Just put JS. Oh, we have errors. Hola. Oh yeah, there you go. You got the alert. Testing Google Coder JS. Okay, so let's do something bit more advanced. In one of my other introductions, I have shown how to show and hide images. So let's do that again. For that, here I'm going to show you another feature of the Google Coder. You can add files to your server and reference it in your code. So I'm going to add an image here. Click pictures. H1. Okay, let's add this one. The Timo guy. If you're playing League of Legends, you know this guy. Okay, in my here I'm going to create an image tag img src. No, and here I'm going to say paste to code. I'm going to click the link paste code. As you can see, it already by default it places the code here, the link to the image here. Just click save, preview. Oh yeah, the Timo is sitting on top of the cake. Awesome, it worked. So basically, another thing I want to point you out here is that you can add files from your computer to the server. You can upload it basically and reference it here. So that's how you can do it, and probably I can show you, like I can write another code that which I have done in my previous lesson. So let's add an ID here, saying my image. Okay, and write some JavaScript there. Sorry, jQuery. Okay, I'm referencing my image here, and I'm adding a click event. Okay, I'm going to fire an alert saying you just click on Timo. Save it. Oh yeah, you get it. So as I have said previously, I'm not going to go deep into the code and explain you the JavaScript, and I'm not going to teach you jQuery. I've just told you how to utilize the JS tab and a good information how to add files to your server, and how the information on that jQuery minified jQuery is already available with your Google Coder, so you don't have to manually download and add reference in your project. You already have it. So having said that, it brings the Java introduction to JavaScript tab in Google Coder to an end. So if possible, I'll do another lesson on the Node tab. I think I will do sometime later on a course on that. So that's it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.